Hey, what's up guys? Digital here and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the top Termux hacking tools you need to know for 2026. These aren't just updates. They're game changers for password cracking, network scanning, phishing and more, all optimized for the latest Android devices. Let's jump right into it. Let's kick things off with Hydra 2026, the latest evolution in password cracking technology. If you're serious about cybersecurity, penetration testing, or just want to see how far mobile hacking tools have come, this is the tool you need to know about. Hydra has always been a favorite among security professionals, but the 2026 version takes things to a whole new level. This version is not just faster, it's a game changer. With full GPU acceleration, Hydra 2026 delivers password cracking speeds that were once only possible on high-end desktops, now right on your Android device. Even if you're using a mid-range phone, you'll notice a massive boost in performance, making brute force and dictionary attacks lightning quick. But speed isn't the only upgrade. Hydra 2026 now supports an expanded list of network protocols, covering everything from classic FTP and SSH to newer, more obscure services. This means you're equipped to tackle almost any authentication challenge you might encounter, whether you're testing your own systems or helping clients secure theirs. The interface has been completely streamlined for mobile use. Managing attacks, customizing word lists, and switching between protocols is now easier than ever, all from within the familiar Termux environment. You can import, edit, and organize your word lists on the fly, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. One of the standout features is smart detection. Hydra 2026 analyzes your target's responses in real time, automatically suggesting the most effective attack vectors. This intelligent guidance helps you avoid wasted time and resources, ensuring your efforts are always focused where they'll have the most impact. Whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned pro, Hydra 2026 has you covered. Beginners can get up and running with just a few taps, thanks to intuitive presets and helpful prompts. Meanwhile, advanced users have access to deep customization options, letting you fine-tune every aspect of your attack strategy. Forget about clunky, confusing configuration files. Hydra 2026 offers a clean, modern interface that puts powerful password testing at your fingertips. You can save and switch between different attack profiles, making it easy to adapt to any situation. If password security is something you care about, whether for personal use or professional audits, Hydra 2026 is an essential addition to your toolkit. It's perfect for testing the strength of your own passwords or helping others identify weak points in their security. Hydra 2026 is truly built for the future. Fast, smart, and incredibly versatile. Whether you're on the front lines of cybersecurity or just exploring the world of ethical hacking, this tool sets a new standard for what's possible on mobile devices. Next up, Metasploit NextGen. This overhaul is lighter, faster, and fully optimized for Android hardware in Termux. Access new exploits for IoT, Wi-Fi 7 routers, and AI-powered devices, updated in real time. The touch-friendly UI lets you launch and monitor exploits right from your phone. Automation features let you queue attacks and schedule scans, like having a mini red team in your pocket. If you're serious about mobile pen testing, Metasploit NextGen is essential. Fast, flexible, and perfect for Termux users. Let's move on to Nmap Ultra, the next evolution in network scanning technology designed for the modern era. If you've ever felt limited by slow scans or outdated interfaces, Nmap Ultra is here to change the game entirely. Built from the ground up with speed and efficiency in mind, it's the tool that brings futuristic scanning power right to your fingertips. Redesigned for speed, Nmap Ultra leverages advanced parallel processing and optimized algorithms for lightning-fast scans. You'll notice the difference immediately. What used to take minutes now takes seconds, even on large and complex networks. The interface is sleek, intuitive, and built for both beginners and seasoned pros. It identifies a wider range of devices than ever before, including the latest IoT gadgets, smart home devices, and cloud-based services, all with deep fingerprinting capabilities. This means you get more accurate and detailed information about every device connected to your network, no matter how new or obscure. Visual reporting now gives you interactive maps and dynamic graphs right in your terminal, making it easier than ever to understand your network's structure and spot potential vulnerabilities at a glance. These visuals are not just pretty, they're practical, helping you make informed decisions quickly. The expanded scripting engine now includes a library of scripts tailored specifically for mobile environments, allowing you to automate complex scans and customize your workflow directly from your smartphone or tablet. Whether you're a developer or a security enthusiast, these scripts make advanced scanning accessible anywhere. No more frying your phone's battery or sifting through endless walls of text. Nmap Ultra's streamlined output and resource-efficient design mean you get clear, concise results without the clutter or the lag, even on older devices. Whether you're managing a corporate network with hundreds of devices or just checking your home Wi-Fi for security, Nmap Ultra is the best scanner for Termux in 2026. It adapts to your needs, offering professional-grade features in a package anyone can use. Fast, detailed, and easy to use. Nmap Ultra is the future of network scanning, putting powerful tools in your pocket and giving you the confidence to secure your digital world. Now, let's jump into SQLMap Pro. Full automation makes finding and exploiting SQL injection vulnerabilities effortless on Android. Smart detection identifies database types and launches the best attacks automatically. Supports the latest SQL and NoSQL platforms with constant updates. Comprehensive logging and reporting help you learn and track every step. API integration lets you build custom workflows or plug into other Termux tools. Flexible, powerful, and user-friendly, SQLMap Pro is a database pen testing essential. For social engineering, SocialFish 2026 is a must. The expanded template library covers everything from banks to the latest social media. Anti-detection features use randomized URLs and AI-generated content to bypass security scanners. Deploy, monitor, and manage campaigns directly from Termux with real-time logging, designed for ethical use, perfect for red teaming and security training. Everything you need is right in your pocket. Stay ahead of phishing threats with SocialFish 2026. Next, Routersploit X. The expanded exploit database now covers consumer, enterprise, and industrial IoT devices. Adaptive scanning tailors attacks for better accuracy and fewer false positives. Setup is simple. Just a few commands and you're ready. The mobile-optimized interface lets you manage exploits and logs with ease. Routersploit X is a must-have for network security testing in 2026. Sometimes, when you're diving into the world of cybersecurity, you want everything you need right at your fingertips. That's where ToolX 2026 comes in, a comprehensive, all-in-one hacking toolkit designed for both newcomers and seasoned professionals. Imagine having a single platform that brings together hundreds of powerful tools, all organized and ready to use, so you can focus on learning, experimenting, or getting the job done efficiently. With ToolX 2026, you gain access to an extensive library of ethical hacking tools, neatly sorted by category, whether you're interested in information gathering, vulnerability analysis, or wireless testing. Everything is just a click away. The intuitive interface makes it easy to discover new utilities and find exactly what you need for any project. Installation is effortless, just one click, and ToolX takes care of all the dependencies and setup for you. No more hunting down missing packages or troubleshooting complex installations. It's all automated, saving you valuable time and letting you focus on what matters most. Exploring and using the tools. The dashboard provides a clear overview of what's installed, what needs updating, and even highlights the most popular scripts. You can easily manage your toolkit, keep everything up to date, and quickly launch your favorite tools, all from one central hub. Best of all, ToolX 2026 runs entirely within the Termux interface on your Android device. There's no need to leave your terminal or juggle multiple apps. Everything you need is right there, accessible from your mobile device or tablet. Whether you're a beginner eager to learn the basics of ethical hacking or an experienced user looking to experiment with a wide range of advanced tools, ToolX 2026 is designed to support your journey. It's perfect for self-learners, students, and professionals alike. Think of ToolX 2026 as the Swiss Army knife for Termux hacking, a single toolkit that adapts to any challenge, offering versatility and power in one package. In 2026, versatility, ease of use, and efficiency are more important than ever. ToolX 2026 delivers all three, making it an essential toolkit for anyone serious about cybersecurity and ethical hacking. Now let's talk about Zphisher 2026. The new version adds advanced attack vectors, including browser in the browser and deepfake lures. Automation selects the best method, runs campaigns, and handles follow-ups. Real-time reporting shows who clicked, entered data, and what defenses triggered. Setup is smoother than ever. Just run and go. Perfect for red teaming, training, or understanding attack performance. Zphisher 2026 is a must for anyone interested in social engineering. For information gathering, Red Hawk 2026 stands out. It covers HOIs, DNS, subdomains, open ports, and advanced web app fingerprinting. Integrates threat intelligence, certificate logs, and dark web data for a complete view. Upgraded reporting highlights key findings and vulnerabilities. Fast setup and performance, even on older devices. Red Hawk 2026 makes recon smarter and more thorough than ever. Last but not least, Weeman 2026. Launch realistic phishing sites in seconds, optimized for speed and stealth. Stealth mode randomizes hosting, obfuscates code, and rotates landing pages. Simple interface, pick a template, set options, and launch. Real-time logging shows visits, data submissions, and triggered defenses. Lightweight and powerful, perfect for mobile phishing simulations. Weeman 2026 is essential for testing web defenses on the go. That's a wrap on the top Termux hacking tools for 2026. Remember, use these tools responsibly and for educational purposes only. Ethical hacking helps us all stay safer. Let's keep it positive and productive. Hit like, comment, and subscribe for more updates. Digital out. Let me know if you need further tightening or adjustments.